Being a life coach is one of the most rewarding careers out there. I mean, think about it. Helping other people find clarity, overcoming obstacles, and achieving their goals. It's life-changing work, not just for your clients, but for you too. But here's the thing. No matter how skilled or passionate you are, there's one challenge nearly every life coach faces: finding new clients. I've heard way too many stories of great life coaches starting out, struggling to find their footing, simply because they couldn't get their message in front of the right people. It's not about your ability to coach. It's about connecting with those who need your help. You've got the skills, the heart, and the drive. But if people don't know you exist, how can they hire you? That's where social media comes in. Social media isn't just for influencers or trendy dance videos. It's a game changer for life coaches. Why? Because it's where your future clients are spending their time. They're scrolling, searching, and looking for someone just like you to help them in their journey. Hi, I'm Victor Fontaine, and I've spent over 6 years as a freelance video editor, graphic designer, and marketing professional, helping individuals and businesses share their stories. I understand how overwhelming social media can feel, especially when you're already juggling a busy coaching practice. That's why I created this course. This course is designed specifically for life coaches to help them take the guesswork out of social media. You'll learn how to create engaging posts and videos that speak directly to your audience. You'll build a brand that's authentic and memorable. And you'll get tools, templates, and strategies to streamline the process so you can focus on coaching, not stressing over your next Instagram post. Imagine this. Instead of worrying about where your next client will come from, your inbox is filling up with inquiries. You're building relationships, growing your business, and sharing your message with the people who need it most. Social media isn't just a tool. It's your bridge to the people who need your guidance. And this course will show you how to use it step by step. So, are you ready to grow your coaching business and make a bigger impact? Good, let's go.